Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanto Housewife. Today we're making the ultimate comfort food. Bò Kho, or Vietnamese beef stew, is rich, savory, aromatic, and a perfect with a warm baguette or a bowl of noodles. And guess what? We're using a pressure cooker to make it weeknight friendly. Here are the ingredient list. I'm actually using corned beef today because they were on sale, so I don't need to marinate the beef, but if you are using regular brisket, here is the list for the ingredients. Start by thinly slicing one onion and gather all the dry spices for the stew. As I mentioned, I'm using corned beef so I don't have to marinate it. I'm just gonna soak it in some water so it's not as salty. If you're using the pressure cooker, set the pressure cooker to saute mode and then saute garlic, ginger, onion, and lemongrass until it's fragrant. I do notice that the heat is not high enough, so I end up switching it to the wok. If the heat doesn't bother you, you can keep using the pressure cooker and just do it one pot. When you're done sauteing the onion mixture, take everything out and sear the beef until all sides are brown. When you finish browning the meat, you can add the onion mixture back in, then stir in the tomato paste and mix evenly. Add all the spices including the star anise, black pepper, chili powder, and cinnamon stick. Cook until it's fragrant, take about a minute. Mix in the juice from the onion saute mixture, water, and coconut water. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and then bring it to a boil. Transfer it to the pressure cooker and let it cook on high pressure for an hour. While the stew is cooking, peel and cut the carrot into small pieces. After an hour, release the pressure by opening the valve. Make sure all the pressure are released before opening the lid. Add carrot, salt, soy sauce, and chili oil. Pressure cook for another 5 minutes and let it natural release for 20 minutes. Cook the noodle according to package instruction and then divide them into bowls. Before serving, remove any visible star anise pot, bay leaf, and ginger slices. Ladle the soup over the noodle and garnish with your favorite toppings. The beef is so soft and the broth is very rich and fragrant. This is legitly the chef's kiss. Try it and this might be your new favorite way to make bò kho. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more cozy Asian home cooking ideas. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!